In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a list on Hubspot. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to create and manage your contact list quickly and efficiently, helping you organize your communications with ease. Let's start with accessing Hubspot. First, open your web browser and go to the Hubspot website. You'll want to begin by heading to Hubspot's homepage, where you'll find all the tools and resources you need for your business. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be transitioning to Hubspot's main interface, often referred to as the Hubspot Home. From here, you can access all the features that HubSpot offers, tailored to suit your business needs. After you've successfully logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will give you a better understanding of how to navigate through their tools and features. Now let's dive into the process of creating your list. Browse through the menu options and click on CRM. CRM is where you'll manage all your contacts and is a crucial part of organizing your business interactions. Once you're in the CRM section, look for the Lists option. This is where you'll create, manage, and deploy your contact lists. After clicking on Lists, you'll be presented with a few options. What you're looking for is the Create List button. Clicking on this will start the process of constructing your new list. A dialog box or a new page should appear asking you for details about the list you want to create. Here's a tip: think about what specific contacts you want to include in this list. Are you targeting a particular group of clients, or perhaps segmenting your list for a marketing campaign? Having a clear objective will help you create a more effective list. Fill in the necessary details as prompted, naming your list something that will be easily identifiable for your future reference. It's always a good practice to use a naming convention that includes information about the list's purpose or the subset of contacts included. Once you've input all the required details, review your options. HubSpot might offer some additional settings that could be beneficial, such as refining your list criteria or setting up dynamic list updates. Make sure these settings align with your intended goals for the list. Finally, after ensuring everything is in order, confirm your creation. The list will now appear in your directory of lists, ready to use. You can access it at any time to modify or expand it as your contact needs grow. And there you have it, a comprehensive run through of creating a contact list on HubSpot. Managing your contacts effectively is key to maintaining smooth communication channels, boosting your marketing strategies, and ultimately enhancing your business relationships. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.